Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, June the 28th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Ticketmaster that actually has had a data breach. If you purchase tickets or use Ticketmaster, it seems that about 5 million users have their personal details stolen, including payment methods, passwords, name, address. Of course, the usual change your password is what they are saying, but maybe check also your credit cards. It seems that if you're in North America, you probably were not in the data breach, but change your passwords just in case. Microsoft, of course, purchased Github for $7.5 billion a few weeks ago. But now we learned that Google was also in there, and Google wanted to purchase GitHub also, which is the world's biggest source code repository. So this is interesting to see that basically there were kind of a little fight here between Google and Microsoft, and of course Microsoft won in the end. After 2 weeks without a build, Microsoft finally released a new build of Windows 10, Redstone 5 yesterday, 17.704. Has quite a lot of new features, including big reorganization of Microsoft Edge. And my review is coming a little later today. I wanted to try it and go through all the features before I really post it. So it's coming in about an hour's time from now. And talking of the latest build, one of the features that Microsoft has said, well, we're not going to have it in Redstone 5. Sets has been removed. So a lot of people were saying, hey, I don't have sets and so on. And of course, there was an A/B testing thing that they do. Well, sets is removed for everyone in this new build, and apparently it's not going to make it to Redstone 5. Facebook has many patents, and since it went public in 2012, it actually multiplied the number of patents for some of the things that they want to do. Now, one of the interesting sides to this is a patent that seems to kind of be able to predict a lot of things about you and your life in just checking out the posts and the major events that you have. And it brings up one question. Can Facebook predict when you will die with all of the data? They have massive amount of data on us, and apparently they know a lot of things that we don't even know ourselves. Twitter has been working to remove spam. There was a lot, and since Twitter started, there's a lot of problems with that. A lot of people saying, look, man, Twitter was really too slow start if they did anything. Well, now we learned that apparently from 2017 to 2018, the amount of spam removed is now up 214%. So I guess slowly they're trying to do something about it. So you got a Google Chrome, you got a Chromecast, you got a Google Home or Home Mini. Well, if you've got some problems this week with it, you're not alone. A lot of users are reporting problems with their connectivity of their devices and just having their device behave weirdly. I was victim of this week. I actually had a day where it was unresponsive and did weird things and was just telling me that, well, nothing can be happening. And even sometimes I would issue the commands, but the lights would shine, but nothing would happen. Google says, yeah, there is something happening. We're working on it, and an update will soon be released to fix it. Well, Samsung and Apple, of course, been at it for a long time. Apple won $539 million in patent lawsuit case a couple of weeks back. Well, it seems that now they went kind of private and had some talks together, and it seems that Apple and Samsung have agreed to some form of settlement, but no one knows exactly what it is. Sony is confident that some agreement will actually happen for cross-platform playing and will eventually come through. But, is it really going to happen? There seems to be some incentive, not much of an incentive on the Sony side of things to actually do cross-platform game playing. And this is sad because, a lot of gamers have more than one device. And cross-platform play is actually not bad of an idea. We're about to see a breakthrough in SD cards. If you've been using SD cards, micro SD cards, one of the things that you often notice on SD cards is that they are actually a little slow on the write and read side, mostly on the right side. Well, new technology, a new standard, will bring not only much bigger SD cards in the terabyte range, but they will actually see speeds that are equal to solid-state drives, apparently, and they will start shipping next year. Of course, the first ones will probably be very expensive, but as time goes by, we might have really cool SD cards. Some users are reporting that Windows Defender is actually detecting false positive in some of the Windows files, and that it is a problem for a small number of users, apparently. But, you know, not everyone's affected. I haven't seen that happen in my computer. I haven't seen some of you mention anything about it, but apparently there's a small number of users that it's doing that. A study that, of course, followed many generations talking about artificial intelligence finds that millennials are far less scared of artificial intelligence than the older generations. They embrace it, and in fact, they think it's a great thing, and that the benefits will outweigh the negative side of it, and that it actually is a good thing. So it seems that maybe millennials don't think we'll have Terminator-like robots. This was the Tech News Update for Thursday, June the 28th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.